Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get a copy of all your TikTok related data using the TikTok Studio app. Just open the app, go to your profile, tap on Account, and then tap on Download your data. Here you will be able to choose the format of the data you would like to gain and also which type of data, where you would like to download it from, which information you want to include, and then if you have decided, tap on request data and wait. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.